Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Today I want to share with you how to make the new style bridal bouquets that I've had numerous requests asking how do you do it. I love the combination of the white leaves, the beautiful, beautiful green leaves, some beautiful orchids just like cascading out one side. I love the use of the metallics. The new metallics are fantastic. So a little bit of metallic here, the lovely colour of the anthurium. You can either use fresh or artificial and spray those, and then putting in some of the banksias. I just love it. These are so easy to put together as a handheld. So give me a moment to strike it, and then I'll show you just how easy it is to put together. Okay, so let's put it together. Taking the large leaf first, then I'm going to add one of the shorter white leaves, and then getting a lovely green leaf, putting that to one side, getting another leaf and taking that to the other side. And you might just have to bend and manipulate those into place, and try and hide, when you're holding it, try and hold everything all in your hand so that it's nice and firm. The next thing to go into here is going to be the banksia, the light banksia. So I'm going to put that into there and hold it in my hand. For goodness sake, whatever you do, don't let your hand drop it out of your hand. Another one, so I've just got little wee steps down there. That one can go over there like that, and you might just have to bend and manipulate your stems as you're going, but at this stage it's just a matter of getting everything into your hand. I love this beautiful metallic leaf, so I'm going to put that into there and just get your hand into there and just sort of gently just manipulate this down. Now before I go any further, a lot of this material is artificial, and a lot of it you can get on AliExpress or Amazon. Just go hunting, but I think that I need to say that I really like what you can find at AliExpress. Now I've got this beautiful little bit of metallic leaf, which you get like the lovely champagne color. I've got one beautiful Aurelia leaf, which I'm going to put into there, and then I've got these lovely orchids, which I'm just very gently just going to have one down into there, another one into there, coming out like so. That there just needs to come out just a little bit, and then another leaf which I'm just going to bend down now, and I'm going to put that underneath there just to give it a little bit of protection, just for the orchids anyway. And then with this other leaf, just take that there, and I'm going to bring that down and into there. Look at that, how easy is that? How super easy was that? I am going to have to get into here and just extend that out just a little bit. Oh, I love it. And then getting your cable tie, just bring your cable tie around, here we are, up as close to where everything is. So see where my second finger is? I've taken that cable tie right up into there. And now I just have to find the little wee chute, the little hole where I've got to stick that into. There it is, without letting it go. And got it, I've got it. Phew. And then just pulling that firmly so that everything is firmly in place. That there, now I'm just going to bend and manipulate that so I get that into the place that I want it to, and gently with these orchids. But I just love that. How easy is that to create a bouquet? And now it's just a matter of, to finish it off, just cutting off all of those, the excess. I would take it to that length there, cutting all those off. You might like to keep them all the same length, and then just getting some ribbon and binding around the handle, and don't forget to cut that off. And you might find, as I'm looking at it now, that I just need to bring in another cable tie. You could use floral tape if you wanted to, but to be really honest, I find that the cable ties are much better to keep it all together. So there is a very simple, easy to put together handheld bouquet, which is very much on trend now. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you again another day.